Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn a really simple way how you can add restaurant menu for your HTML site. So let's start. First, what you want to do is scroll down below in the description and click on the link. When you're gonna do it, you will get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets is restaurant menu. You want to click here on sign up for free, and when you're gonna do it, you want to sign up with Google or Facebook or normal mail, and when you will have it, click on login. You will love this restaurant menu, trust me. So in search, you want to write menu, and you're gonna see here restaurant menu. Let's click on it, and now you have option between what you want to have: fast food restaurant, family restaurant, coffee house, healthy, cocktail bar. You can really choose what you like. So I'm going to choose this one, fast food restaurant. Now you can see that we got menus. First we got pizza, burgers, snack sides. You can also like rename it to Monday if you would like to have it as a days, right? Quite simply. And let's also change the icon here. So that's what you can do. Really simple. And then when you have it, you can also change the items, each of those, change the images, text, everything. So let's say that we have it, we have a layout. I'm going to leave the layout like this. And as you can see, if you would like click between everything, you can get to everywhere. Really cool. So that's how you do it. And when you have it, then when you edit everything, you want to click on save. But right before that, when you click save, you're gonna see what plan you want to choose. If you're starting out with your site, what I recommend going with the light version. That's okay. But if you have 5,000, 50,000 views on your site, go with the basic or pro version. That's just my recommendation. Now, when we have the code, let's go to our blog, to our HTML, let's paste it, let's click save, and now let's click preview. And as you can see, we got perfect menu. Also the site is a little bit small, the page here, but this is how we can actually do it. It's really perfect. If you have any problems, ask L-Site for support and they will help you to implement it on your page. And that's pretty cool. Also what I recommend, if you're gonna like more applications, definitely check them out. If you're like 5-6 more, definitely go with the all app packs. But yeah, this is how you can actually do it. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. Thank you everybody, have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.